high-frequency press gives you superior quality edge gluing while saving you time and money. McPhillips Manufacturing Company uses 2 glue-all high-frequency presses in their plant in Mobile, Alabama. McPhillips is using the glue-all and the optional conveyorized glue spreader to edge glue panels with high speed and efficiency. The wood is placed on the conveyorized glue spreader and is picked up at the other end and loaded onto the glue-all's in-feed table. The load is pushed into the platen area where the glue is cured by radio waves. The glue-all is an automated high-production machine. The load can be cured in as little as 10 seconds, and no adjustments are needed between repetitious loads. Employee efficiency is high because fatigue is low, since there's no awkward hand clamping and very little lifting and handling. Also, the working environment doesn't get hot the way it does with some other types of edge gluers. Cleanup is quick and easy because of the glue-resistant materials used in the manufacture of the glue-all. The optional conveyorized glue spreader further speeds the process by providing a steady supply of wood, evenly coated with glue, to the glue-all operator. The glue-all comes in 4 standard platen sizes. If you need a non-standard size, we can custom build one for you. We've built high-frequency presses with platen sizes up to 18 feet long, and we can build them even larger if you require. The glue-all is shielded against radiation leakage and is FCC certified. Now we'll follow a load through the glue-all and describe its important features. Wood is loaded onto the optional conveyorized glue spreader. It applies an even layer of virtually any kind of glue. The glue spreader features heavy-duty construction and dual controls for added safety. The drive unit is protected by a clutch designed to disengage if the conveyor becomes jammed. The pickup roll, applicator roll, and outfeed flights are stainless steel, which cleans easily and does not contaminate PVA glues. The conveyor stops when wood hits the stop wand at the outfeed end. Next, the parts to be assembled are loaded onto the in-feed table of the glue-all. The in-feed table is covered with a durable, glue-resistant material that makes cleanup quicker. The load is pushed into the platen area by the in-feed pusher. On most glue-alls, a hand crank in-feed pusher is standard. The powered in-feed pusher shown here and the in-feed actuated cycle are standard on our largest machine. The 2 are available as an option package on all other machines. When actuated, the pusher will travel forward to a predetermined point, then automatically return to its starting position, ready to receive the next load. The in-feed pusher is started with the touch of a button. When the load is in place in the platen area, the operator starts the curing cycle by pushing a 2-hand no-tie-down control, and the top platen lowers onto the load. Just as the top platen touches down, the side pushers automatically activate, applying pressure to the workload. These are 2-inch bore, 4-inch stroke hydraulic cylinders on 5 5/8-inch centers. This configuration is based on exhaustive research and field testing and consistently provides exacting pressure without the need of further adjustments which might result in a disastrous human error. Next, the RF generator automatically activates and curing begins. The RF generator features solid-state components and has single control tuning, which eliminates the need to make adjustments inside the generator whenever the amount of glue line changes significantly. We'll use this diagram to explain how glue curing takes place in the glue-all. The parts shown are the RF generator, the bottom platen, the top platen, the parts to be assembled, and the glue. The RF generator, which is connected to the bottom platen, generates the radio waves which cause the glue to cure. The radio waves travel back and forth between the top and bottom platens. This rapid back and forth motion sets up a vibration in the glue molecules, which creates friction, heat, and drying. The radio waves react with the glue only. They don't affect the wood. There's no wasted energy because only the glue is heated and the generator is on only during the curing cycle. Once the glue is cured, the RF no longer affects it, so overcuring is impossible. While the load is being cured, the operator can be loading wood for the next curing cycle. After a predetermined length of time, the RF automatically switches off, the side pressure releases, and the top platen opens. As the new load moves into position, it pushes the cured load out. Now we'll demonstrate the strength of the bond provided by the glue-all's combination of radio frequency curing and precision hydraulic clamping. We'll attempt to break the panel along the joint that was just glued. The wood splits. The glued joint remains intact. Phillips manufactures a wide variety of doors and windows. Most of their component parts are glued in the versatile glue-all. McPhillips speeds up production by feeding both of their glue-alls from one conveyorized glue spreader. This is just one of several glue spreader configurations possible. Edge gluing on 4 sides at once is possible using a glue-all equipped with 4-way pressure. Walnut strips are glued to a piece of particle board in the manufacture of desktops at Myrtle Desk of High Point, North Carolina. Myrtle Desk owns 2 glue-alls. On this one, the conveyorized glue spreader is mounted over the glue-all. This space-saving optional configuration puts the spreader in-feed above the glue-all out-feed table and the spreader out-feed above the glue-all in-feed table. This means the person unloading the glue-all can also load the spreader from the same position, and the person unloading the spreader can load the glue-all. Note that the location of the in-feed table is reversed from its position at McPhillips. The in-feed table can be located on either end of the platen area. When the strips are in place on all 4 sides of the particle board, the operator hits the in-feed button and the piece is pushed into the platen area. Next, the 2-hand control is activated. As the top platen lowers, the end pressure unit also lowers into position. When it touches down, hydraulic pushers apply pressure to the end of the piece. The other end of the piece is pushed up against a fixed stop, which also lowers into position along with the top platen. Now 4-way pressure is in place and the RF generator switches on. When the curing cycle is complete, 4-way pressure is released and the top platen and both 4-way pressure units lift up. The operator pushes the in-feed button and the new load moves into position, pushing the cured piece out. As the cured piece exits, the pinch feed roller automatically engages, pulling the piece onto the outfeed table. Another possible location for the conveyorized glue spreader is directly above the in-feed table. The in-feed portion of the glue spreader extends a few feet beyond the glue-all to facilitate loading. This space-saving configuration is available as a no-cost option. The arrangement of the side cylinders depends on the thickness capacity of the glue-all. The standard glue-all has a thickness capacity of 4.5 inches and a single row of side cylinders. A double row of cylinders, as shown here, is used on machines with optional thickness capacities of 6.5 or 8.5 inches, and on machines with 11-inch capacity, a triple row is used. On all of these, the bottom row can be used by itself, as shown here, when gluing thin stock. These hydraulic side cylinders provide a clamping force far superior to that obtained from the expandable airbags found on some other machines. For applications requiring even greater speed, we recommend the option package consisting of the in-feed actuated cycle and the powered in-feed pusher. Also shown is a conveyorized glue spreader equipped with an optional powered hold-down roll, which is helpful when applying glue to long pieces. It keeps the wood in contact with the applicator roll, ensuring an even layer of glue along the entire length of the piece. Other options available on the glue spreader are a PVA glue reservoir and a water-jacketed glue pan, which lengthens pot life of urea glues. The glue spreader is available in several lengths and in 2 widths, 12 inches shown here and 20 inches. L&L also makes a tabletop glue spreader. It features an 8-inch stainless steel applicator roll which operates in either direction to fit any application. The glue pan is easily removed from the base and motor to aid cleanup. Once the in-feed table is loaded, a button is pushed and the automatic cycle does the rest. The powered in-feed pusher moves the load into position, the platen automatically lowers, the side pushers engage, and the RF unit switches on. The hydraulic cylinders which hold the top platen down are optimally located for even pressure. The sleeves at the base of the cylinders keep the top platen just above the workload. You can easily remove the sleeves. This makes the machine inoperable in the auto mode, and the curing cycle is started with the 2-hand control. A rugged, quiet-running hydraulic pump provides adjustable hydraulic pressure to the top hold-down cylinders and side clamping cylinders. Two types of outfeed tables are available as options: dead feed rollers, as shown here, or flat steel. An audible alarm and warning light are tripped if there's a blower malfunction, if an access door is open, if a nail or other metal object is present in machines with 10 kilowatt and larger generators, or if the RF generator is turned up too high. In each case, the RF generator automatically shuts down. The glue awl features time delay relays, which are easily adjusted if necessary. They are mounted on rugged military quality circuit boards and can be easily removed if needed. The glue awl requires minimal maintenance. Just periodically blow out the machine and clean or replace standard furnace-type air filters. The platens are covered with a durable, glue-resistant material which you can easily replace in the field if required. Electrically heated platens and infeed table are available as an option. When urea glue is used, the heated platens will self-clean and cure the squeeze-out of the glue. We have a large, qualified service staff with the ability to provide immediate professional service if required. L&L Machinery is a division of Modern Globe Incorporated, located in North Wilkesboro, North Carolina. We've built over 600 RF units and are constantly improving our machines and incorporating the latest technology to ensure that the glue awl high-frequency press represents the state-of-the-art in edge gluing.